advice for the foreigner in London. Lesson 3. It's dusk, and you pass a stranger in the street. Greet them politely.
Good evening.
To take the conversation further, talk about the weather.
Real brolly buster, isn't it?
Fact. Londoners have 107 ways to say that it is raining.
Can I have the last sandwich?
Nice weather
Oh,
for the farm.
no, I need that.
It's coming
A
down
wise
instead.
bear always keeps a marmalade sandwich in his hat in case of
Heavens
emergency.
have opened and it's bucketing down. Follow these simple rules and you will always feel at home in London.
Oh, Lucy!
Earthquake!
Get to the shelter!
Oh, Lucy, keep going!
You all right? Uncle Pastuzo! Uncle Pastuzo!
Get down!
Uncle Pastuzo!
Pastuzo!
Uncle Pastuzo! Aunt Lucy. What are we going to do?